Welcome to the activity list. I've got the Power 4, due Friday, December 21st. Your first activity is required 3 times for 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Read a literary text. Write the title here. What was the challenge of your book? Write the challenge on the line. Remember to check each time that you've read a book. Writing conclusion. Required 10 minutes. It is learning. Scan and listen to the QR code for conclusions. Then answer the questions in the resource area. The next item is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete the conclusion, page 4, in your how-to book. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. This is practice. Edit your how-to book using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. The next item is optional for 10 minutes. Have a buddy edit your how-to book using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. The next item is optional, 10 minutes. Decorate the front cover of your how-to book. The next section is reading comprehension. It is required for 20 minutes and it is practice. Read the story Smart Shopping. Then complete the sheet in the resource area. The next section is listen to reading. Required 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. What is the title? Write the title here. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Write down your score here. The next item is foundational skills, IES. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Green readers, make nouns and verbs, plural, with IES. Blue readers, S or IES, sort and sentences. Red readers, close passages where S or IES. White readers, Dad's crazy bedtime stories. Your next item is required for 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. The next section is social studies. It is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Complete the title page, Planning for a Power Outage, in your scientist notebook using the wants and needs cards in the resource area. Or use pages 28 to 29 of Do I Need It? Do I Want It? As a resource. You can also scan the QR code for Making a Budget to listen. The next section is the Scientist Notebook on gravity. Required for 15 minutes. This is learning. Using a computer, complete the Science Fusion digital lesson, Unit 7, Lesson 1, What Are Forces? This is on the CWTES website under Students, 2nd grade, Unit 7, Lesson 1, the first red box. The next activity is a choice. It is 15 minutes and it's learning. Read pages 195 to 197 in the science textbook, or scan the QR code and listen to pages 195 and 197 in the science textbook. The next activity is required 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the gravity page in your scientist notebook. The last section is your scientist notebook. It is required for 10 minutes and it is practice. Complete the title page in your scientist notebook. Refer to your rubric to see what you need to include here. The next section is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Complete the summary page. The next activity is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Finish any incomplete pages in your scientist notebook. The last section is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Have a partner edit your scientist notebook using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. Have a great time.